The fatal truth about sugar. Hello everyone, and welcome to this podcast by Vitacois Ltd. Today, we are using authoritative data to uncover the hidden dangers of sugar. 1. For 5 health risks. The scientific evidence. A landmark 2023 study in the British medical journal BMJ, analyzing over 8,000 papers, confirmed that high sugar intake is linked to 45 adverse health outcomes, including metabolic, diabetes and obesity, cardiovascular, hypertension and stroke. Others, at least 7 types of cancer and clinical depression. 2. Beyond weight. The risk of death. Research in JAMA Internal Medicine reveals that individuals consuming over 25% of their daily calories from added sugar face a significantly higher risk of cardiovascular death. Sugar isn't just about calories, it's a direct threat to your lifespan. 3. Sugary drinks. A warning for millions. A 2024 Umbrella review of 22 million people linked sugar-sweetened beverages to depression, kidney stones, and fatty liver. Every sugary drink increases the biological burden on your body. 4. Total body impact. Brain. Impairs memory and destabilizes mood. Aging. Accelerates glycation, leading to skin wrinkles and internal tissue decay. Organs. Triggers insulin resistance, damaging the liver and kidneys. 5. Science-backed recommendations. To protect your health, experts suggest daily limit, no more than 25 grams of added sugar, about 6 teaspoons. Weekly limit, less than 1 sugary drink per week. Conclusion. Reducing sugar is not just a diet, it is a commitment to your quality of life. Armed with these facts, you now have the power to choose a healthier future for yourself and your family. Thank you for listening. We'll see you in the next episode.